Puerto Rico. Welcome everyone to Puerto Rico. I'm so excited to be here in my hometown, Fajardo. So many things going on here with disc golf. I'm so excited with what we're doing. We were able to do a couple of demos here in Puerto Rico in the clinics, and we had such a great feedback from the people here in Puerto Rico. And very excited to promote and actually build a project for the Puerto Rico Championships 2020. Bringing disc golf to Puerto Rico has so many benefits. Disc golf has so much to offer to the masses, to the youth, kids, girls of all ages. There's so many kids out there that don't have many activities or many recreations and sports recreations for them to do at the moment. And bringing disc golf, which is a sport that can handle the masses.
Take that one course in the ground in Puerto Rico to really be that catalyst and drive the growth of the sport for decades and years to come.
This is just a perfect destination for disc golf.